Hey, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ryan, and in today's video, we're talking about The Art of War by Sun Tzu. So, let's get right into it. First off, The Art of War was originally written in the 5th century. However, it's just as important as it is in this day and age as it was back then. So, Sun Tzu, he was a Chinese general, philosopher, and military strategist. And it was originally meant for other generals or people in supreme positions, stuff like that. But now it is used in fields such as business, law, and sports. Here are 7 questions to consider when determining who will win. I use this when I play competitive sports to forecast who will win. 7 questions are: which of the 2 sovereigns is imbued with the moral law? If you're wondering, the moral law causes the people to be in complete accord with the ruler, so that they will follow them regardless of their lives, undismayed by danger. Question 2 is: which of the 2 generals has the most ability? Or which of the 2 players? Question number 3 is: with whom lie the advantages derived from heaven and earth? Question 4: on which side is discipline most rigorously enforced? Question 5: which army is the strongest? Question 6: on which side are the officers and men more highly trained? Question 7: in which army is there greater constancy, both in reward and punishment? Now, some of the best advice come from this book. So, here are some of my favorite quotes from Sun Tzu. All warfare is based on deception. Attack him where he's unprepared, appear where you were not expected. Whoever is first in the field and awaits the coming of the enemy will be fresh for the fight. Whoever is second in the field and has to hasten to the battle will arrive exhausted. Sun Tzu is literally telling us it's better to arrive early than late, especially in a competition or fight of some sort. And there you have it. That was The Art of War in under 3 minutes. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.